Hello everyone, I am Shakti Mahesh from 6th year. My topic is acute bronchitis. We'll discuss from bronchitis. Bronchitis is an inflammation of the inner lining of the bronchial tube which carries air to the lungs. The inflammation causes swelling of the lining of those breathing tubes. Narrowing of the tubes or promoting secretion of inflammatory fluid. It occurs when the trachea and the large and small bronchi within the lungs. Depending upon the duration of the symptoms, bronchitis is classified into acute bronchitis and chronic bronchitis. If the symptoms occur within a month, then it is acute bronchitis. If the symptoms occur in 3 months in consecutive 2 years, then it is a chronic bronchitis. Then we discuss about acute bronchitis. Acute bronchitis. Infection or other factors that irritates the lungs causes acute bronchitis. The same viruses that causes cold or the flu often causes acute bronchitis. This virus are spread through air when people cough. They also spread through physical contact. Acute bronchitis lasts from few days to 10 days. Certain substance can irritate lungs and airway and risk of acute bronchitis. Example: cigarette, cigar, air pollution, dust. Acute bronchitis is caused by bacterial and viral infections, environmental factor and other lung conditions. Viral infections. 85 to 95% of acute bronchitis is caused by virus in adults. The same virus that causes the common cold and flu can causes the acute bronchitis. Bacterial infection. In rare case, bacterial bronchitis can develop after the viral infection of bronchitis. This can result from infection by bacteria such as Mycoplasma pneumoniae, Chlamydia pneumoniae, which causes whooping cough. Irritations. Breathing in irritation such as smoke, smog, and chemical fumes can cause inflammation in your trachea and bronchial tube. Sign and symptoms of acute and chronic bronchitis. Persisting cough which may produce as mucus, wheezing, low fever and chills, chest tightening, sore throat, body ache, breathlessness, headache, blocked nose. One of the main symptoms of acute bronchitis is a cough that lasts for several weeks. It can sometimes last for several months if the bronchial tube takes a long time to heal fully. Pathophysiology. Smoking or another environmental pollution irritates airway. There will be hypersecretion of mucus and inflammation. The bronchial wall become tightened, the bronchial lumen become narrow and mucus may block the airway. The alveoli adjacent to the bronchi may become a damaged and fibrosed. Respiratory infection and leads to bronchitis. Diagnosis: there will be a chest x-ray, blood test, sputum test, pulmonary function test, pulse oximetry. The first step is to take medical history, whether they have recently suffered from cold or flu, whether they smoke or whether they are exposed to substances such as dust, fumes, vapors and air pollutions. And we will use stethoscope to listen the abnormal sounds of the lungs. We also examine the mucus of the patient and pulse oximetry of the patient and may recommend the chest x-ray, pulmonary lung function or blood test. Treatment: most of the time bronchitis goes away on its own within a couple of weeks. If it is caused by bacteria, then we need to start with the antibiotics. Management of acute bronchitis: anti-inflammatory, bronchodilators, nebulizers, antibiotics, analgesics, antiemetics, antacids.